Colleagues and clients wonder how I appear natural and relaxed in my videos. Big View, a company that created an easy teleprompter, asked me to present a webinar on speaking up without stressing out. Are you ready to hear the secrets that I shared? Hi, I'm Joyce Weiss, and here's today's tips. Number 1, position the camera waist up so you can see your hands and even props if you use them. Number 2, smile before the video starts. This works even if you have serious topics. Many of us look stressed and tense in front of the camera. Smiling helps in a big way. Click on the video embedded in this post to get all 3 of my secrets to appear natural in your videos. Contact me with your questions on how you can create videos that showcase your personality. Joyce at joyceweiss.com. Thanks for watching.